Hello everybody. So look at this, I actually have a hobby box to open for once. I got some Topps Platinum. I don't think I ever actually did a full box of this when it was out. And Blowout, I had it on their November flash deal, Black November sales. So I got that along with a couple boxes of Prism, which I'll be doing in another video. I figured I'd go ahead and just get them since you're paying for shipping anyway. So it was super cheap, and I'm mainly looking for Giovanni Bernard and Tyler Eifert in here, but you also got like DeAndre Hopkins, Le'Veon Bell, some other players, CJ Anderson maybe, I'm not sure if he's in this, with some other players that have come around. Latavius Murray was this rookie class, I don't know if he's in here, but not expecting to get a massive hit, but I still thought it would be a fun box break to do because I never did it. So you get one autograph, patch, relic, and 2 on-card autographs per box. So 3 hits in the box. 20 packs with 5 cards in a pack. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what we get. This has like the thick rookie cards and stuff in here where the stock is a little bit thicker than it would be for the base cards. So I remember that. I think I did a break or 2 of it online, but not any actual hobby boxes myself. Some packs, I think, maybe Pack Wars or something, but so there you go. Hey, AJ Green right off the bat. That's a good sign. Jay Cutler, Lynch. So there's a rookie card. It's on like a chrome instead of a paper stock. Arthur Brown refractor. And Matthew Stafford. See, he's the thick. So he's the thick card. Not sure how big the set is on this. Watt, Johnson, Rudolph, Monte Ball, rookie card, and Owen Daniels. Stafford, Curley, Jake Locker. There's a parallel, not numbered, Marcus Lattimore. Philip Rivers. Andre Johnson, Arian Foster, Eric Decker. We got a Manti Te'o rookie card, and Greg Jennings. That one is thick. That might be a hit there. Set that to the side. Let's save that for last. Doug Martin, Darrelle Revis, Matt Forte, there's a Geno Smith parallel, and Brandon Marshall. So a hit in here looks like. Who is that? Josh Freeman, Cam Newton, Von Miller, Joe Flacco, and the hit is Desmond Trufant. Not bad. He's still playing, doing decent. A nice on-card for him, even though he's in his combine outfit there. But it's on-card, pretty cool. There's hit number 1. We should have one more of those, and then I think the other one's in that pack. So we'll see what we get. Daniels, there's a Tom Brady, Tavon Austin, Frank Gore, Ellington rookie card. I don't remember if there's numbered parallels, but that'd be cool to get one of those instead of just base every time. Antonio Gates, LaShawn McCoy, Carson Palmer, Aaron and Millett, and Jimmy Graham back in the day on the Saints. He had a good year that year, I believe. Or that was the year he got hurt. One or two. There's the Andy Dalton. Put that over here. Victor Cruz, Matt Ryan, Terrence Williams, and Christian Ponder. Chris Johnson, Michael Vick, Palomalu, Cordero Patterson, parallel. So I guess there are parallels because there's those, but I don't know the other ones. Probably says on here. Let's look real quick. X-Fractor is 1 and 4, so that's what that is. And then there's a black, a frost, a purple, gold, red, BCA pink, a military camo, and Superfactor, and printing plates. So there is stuff that we could get if we're lucky, because even the base black one is 1 in 20, so it should be 1 in a box. That's a black parallel. That was Justin Blackman, Russell Wilson, CJ Spiller. There's a Geo. So I got 3 of my Bengals so far. Antonio Holmes. I got to another hit. Ben Jarvis, Green Ellis, Peyton Manning, Sam Bradford, Darren Sproles, and who's this? Landry Jones. Nice ice looking there. 24 of 50. Low numbered. Landry Jones. Not doing too well. Not his year. He tried. Drew Brees. Vernon Davis. Alfred Morris. There's Arthur Brown. And Russell Wilson. Still pretty cool. Nice looking card. I like the look of that one. With the ice looking. Is that what it is supposed to be? Frost, probably. That's 1 in 382 packs for that one. So that's pretty good. Randall Cobb, Peterson, DeMarco Murray, there's Tyler Wilson, Trent Richardson. There's Kendall Wright, Percy Harvin, Aaron Rodgers, Bjorn Werner, and a thick Ben Jarvis, Green Ellis. Marius Thomas, RG3, Knicks, Theo Riddick, JJ Watt. Come on, give me a parallel. Dwayne Bowe, Colin Kaepernick. Oh, there's a die cut. Forgot about these. I remember these now. Running back Alfred Morris. That is a military camo die cut insert there. There. Tavon Austin and Drew Brees. Fred Davis. Jason Witten, Michael Crabtree, Landry Jones again, and Wes Welker. And now for the autograph patch card. I see blue. So we got Ezekiel Ansah as the rookie refractor in there. And it is Steve Johnson, numbered 56/99. So you got a little seam there, but no other color on it. Nice thick card. Steve Johnson for the Bills, 56/99. So here's all our rookie cards. No numbered ones there. I got a breast cancer or military camo ribbon, Alfred Morris. And then we had Landry Jones Frost, 24/50. And Desmond Trufant, not numbered. And Steve Johnson, out of 99. So 2 of the hits were numbered, so that's pretty good, right? Let's see. There's probably a base for the RPA. Ooh, there's triple autos. Hexagraph dual-sided autos. You can get ribbon autographs. Autograph rookie refractor jumbo patch. 1/35. Parallels are black, green, frost, blue, purple, gold. So maybe that is the base one because I don't see. It's not black. It's not green. It's not frost. Unless that's a blue. No, I think that's just a base one for him. Cool. Well, not too bad. Could have been much worse. Yeah. So check out Blowout Sale. They might still have them on sale if you want to do a box yourself. And stay tuned to my channel. I should have Prism. I'll do a dual hobby box break of Prism Football 2013 also. EJ Manuel on the cover there. 2 autographs in a box. Should be more color in that too. So we'll see what I end up getting there. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video.